Yes, I'm in my kitchen and this tutorial is going to be from here. Let's quickly get on to Agnee's. The name of the song is Aaahatein. Okay, now I'm just gonna do again the without lyrics part, because you know how good I am with lyrics. So I just went outside yesterday, just for a walk, and I thought that I might just take my ukulele, and if I feel, I'll just sit and meditate. And I did that, and I did that to this music because I was coming across this music since morning. I mean, on YouTube, and then I heard it on the radio, then I just heard it on someone's, I don't even remember, when you're just scrolling and you just press on the stories on Insta, so it just came on. I'm like, why is this song coming to me again and again? And I was like, okay, I should meditate onto it. So I did it, and you all liked it, so you asked for the tutorial, so here it is. This is Aaahatein by Agnee. I'm just gonna do the music part of it. It's way too easy. The chords we're using are these. Okay, so if you already know them, please skip. G minor will be a bit of a challenge for beginners, so I'm gonna teach you all these chords right away.
1, 2, 3, let's go!
So the first chord is F. It's very easy. It is 2nd fret 4th string and 1st fret 2nd string, F. Then you have A minor. It is just the 2nd fret 4th string. This is A minor. Then you have D minor. Just get back to your F, and then take your ring finger and put it right behind your middle finger, which is 2nd fret 3rd string. This is D minor. And the next chord is G minor. So G minor is easy, but it will need practice. Okay, so you're gonna put if you're a D minor, then just take your index finger one step back, take your middle finger one step back, and take your ring finger one step back and down. This is G minor. So it is 1st fret 1st string, 2nd fret 3rd string with your middle, and ring is on the 3rd fret 2nd string. ये है G minor. Okay, the strumming pattern I'm using is down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. Okay, it's something like this: down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up, down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up, down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. Okay, accenting थोड़ा सा ले आओगे तो बहुत मज़ा आएगा. This song is all about flow. Just flow with the music. Oh, it's beautiful. And if it is to be, then it is that आप एक पूरा का पूरा स्ट्रम हर कॉर्ड पे बजा रहे हैं. ओके, यू जस्ट तसल्ली से अपना पूरा स्ट्रम कॉर्ड में बजाओ, फिर स्विच करो. ओके, if it is to be that way. Otherwise, I would recommend to flow. Okay, now let's start with the lesson. Go to F and let's start. Down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up, down, down, up. La da da, la da da, and then F, A minor. La da da. Then G minor. Na 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 na. Okay, so again F. Na 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 na. G minor. Na 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 da 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 na na la la la. D minor. Na 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 na. Then G minor. Na 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 na. A minor. Ah, 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 ah. अच्छा, quickly इसको बजाते हैं together. बहुत easy है. Okay, 1 2 3 let's go. Na 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 ra 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 na 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 ah na 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 ah na 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 it just is beautiful. Okay, that's all for this video today. I will see you next time. Until then, adios amigos.